everyone, we're going to find the exact solution for this equation by completing the square. So it's already in standard form. If I look at this, my A is 1, my B is 3, and my C is -8. And what we're really looking at is this B part. So what we're going to do is rewrite this as t squared plus 3t, and then we're going to add this part here. So I'm going to, for now, just put a little line, a space for that. I'm going to add 8 to both sides of the equation. And whatever we add on the left-hand side of the equation, we have to add to the right side. So what I'm going to do is take my b, which is 3, divide by 2, and then square it. So that's going to give me 9/4. So you're going to write 9/4 and 9/4 on both sides. Now for the left-hand side, this is now a perfect square trinomial. So for this to work, we're going to write it like this. So you're going to write t plus, and you just take half your b. Your b is 3, so just take half of that. Put the parentheses and square it. So if I wrote this out twice and FOILed it out, I would get this back. Now this side's going to be plus 8 plus 9/4. Now I really want to rewrite that, so let's do that. So I'm going to write this as 32 fourths plus 9/4, and that gives me 41/4. So that's going to be fourths. And then all we have to do is solve. All right, so let's do t plus 3/2 squared equals 41/4. Just double check. Okay. All right. Now we're going to square root both sides. Make sure when you do the square root, you get plus and minus. So this gives you t plus 3/2, because the square and the square root thing cancel. Plus or minus, I'm going to write this as square root of 41 divided by 2. Remember, you can break this up as 41 square root of 4. So square root of 4 is just 2. Then we're going to add 3/2 to both sides of the, or subtract. Subtract 3/2 from both sides. This gives you t equals plus or minus square root of 41 divided by 2 minus 3/2. And that's an acceptable way to write your answer. Basically what it's saying is that t equals square root of 41 divided by 2 minus 3/2, or t equals negative square root of 41 divided by 2 minus 3/2. So either way you want to write it, these are both equivalent. Because remember, when you write plus minus, that means plus or minus. You want to include that or. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.